Hey everybody and welcome back. If you're looking out how to add the clickable links in YouTube Shorts on PC, these are the methods you can follow up and get it working. So let's just get started. So for that, you can add the link to your description. We cannot directly do it in the video itself, but we can add it in the description. So for that, you need to go to YouTube Studio or directly go to YouTube first, hit enter, and within YouTube, go to your profile at the top and select the option of YouTube Studio and access your YouTube Studio right here. Now once you go ahead and access your YouTube Studio on your PC, you can look out for the create option here. So go to content, and within content you should be finding create option. You can create one, or if you've already created one, you can select this pen icon right here and it will open up the details page right here and the option of description. Now in your description right here, you can paste in your link that you're trying to add it. So you just need to add in the link. For example, if you're Instagram or anything else, you can just go and add in the link. So let me just show you, for example, Instagram, let's see. So you can just go and copy the link, and once the link is copied, paste it right there. And once it is pasted, you just need to go ahead and upload it. Click on this option for upload, save the changes, and save up the changes. And when the changes are saved, the viewers can click on the link in the description while watching the short. Or what you may do is you can just go over and pin the link in the comments. So you can go to your own video. So go to your own video page. And once you are into the video page that you're trying to view, let's say this is my channel. And this is my video, so I can select the video that you have uploaded. And you need to go to their comment section. So find the option for comments. And in the comments right there, you can just go and paste it. So you can just scroll down, find the comment section, and in the comment, you can paste in the particular link that you're trying to paste and comment and pin it out. And the link will show at the top of the comment and the audience should be able to view it. They can just go over and view that particular link by just going ahead and clicking on that link that you've uploaded. And that is it. Those are probably the steps you can follow up if you'd like to add a link on your YouTube Shorts. So we hope this video was helpful. Make sure to give this video a like and also subscribe.